The Insert Elements feature enables instructors or design teams to build interactive elements in their content pages without any coding or HTML knowledge. Welcome to Creator Plus, adding the element accordion. Here is an example of an accordion. Each accordion has a title, then students can click on the arrow to read more. Let's go set it up. Access the module where you will be placing the accordion. Select the drop-down beside the word New and select Create a File. Name the page and select the icon as shown to access the Elements area. Select Accordion. Before creating, spend some time getting used to the layout. At any time, you can click on the question mark icon to read suggestions from D2L. I will add my first title for the accordion one. Add the content to accompany accordion one. Continue now with accordion 2. Click Preview to see how it will appear to students. If you want to make further changes, click back. When ready, click Insert. The page is not visible yet. To save this, click Save and Close and your students will be able to view. If you need to come back and make more changes, re-enter the HTML as Edit and click the pencil icon. That is all for creating an accordion element in D2L. Thanks for watching.